Okay, before you sit, can you please arrange your chair? Let me sit down, class. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, for your attendance, stay present. If I call your name, Ratna, present. Armina, absent, ma'am. Janali, present. Saina, present, ma'am. Nornaida, present, ma'am. Okay. So before we start our topic, may I call Miss Armina to give her activity? Okay, guys. Okay, stand up. So yung activity natin ngayon ay yung activity natin ngayon is chop-chop banana. Pamilya kayo, di ba? Yes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Chop! Banana! Chop, chop, banana! Chop! Banana! Chop, chop, banana! Slice! Banana! Slice, slice, banana! Shake! Banana! Shake, shake, banana! Okay, very good. Congratulations! Okay, let's proceed to our topic. The objective of this topic define sin and sinfulness, identify the different types of sin and sinfulness, show different types of sin and sinfulness, and appropriate the importance of sin and sinfulness. So, we have types of sin and sinfulness. The first one is sin. Anyone want to read? Is not like that.
Plain sin is the simplest type of sin and can be used on almost any item.
So, ang plain sin is ito ang kadalasan na ginagamit sa pagtatahi. Kasi, bukod sa madali lang po siyang tahiin is, yun, madali lang sa tahiin. Pwede rin siya tahiin sa machine din, tahiin lang. Ito yung example ng plain sin. The second one is French sin. May I call someone who is design na
French sin, a strong sin stitch on both sides of the fabric to enclose all the.
So, ang French sin is, ito yung technique ng mga pagtatahi. Binabalutan ko siya ng ang raw edges na binabalutan ng tela para mas malinis yung loob ng damit. Ito yung example ng French sin. And the third is gown sin. Anyone want to read? Miss Armina.
Gown sin uses an appropriate bias fit or seam binding to increase the bad seam edges and close the fabric edges.
So, ang gown sin is, ito siya, ito yung example ng gown sin. Bali, close to siya, inaanahan na siya ng bias tape in, tela para mas malinis yung edges ng pagtatahi mo. Then the last one is flat fillet seam. Miss Janelle.
Flat show sin. A strong sin with two lines of stitching showing on the right side that is produced by holding one rope edge under the other and stitching it flat or sleeve stitching it on wrong side.
So, ang flat fillet seam naman is kadalasan nakikita ko siya sa mga pantalon, yung mga matitigas na fabric. Ito siya, is also nung coordinate and split. Same sa lang. That's all. Naiintindihan na ba kayo?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Give one paper here in front.